Stop scrolling. Today, I'm doing something we've never done on this channel before. See these? These are the JBL Vibe Beam True Wireless Earbuds, and they are sitting right here on my desk waiting for a new home. One of you watching this right now is going to own these without spending a single cent. But, there is a catch. This isn't just a giveaway, it's a community challenge. I'm putting the power entirely in your hands. We are going to unlock this prize together. Here is the deal. The moment this video hits 100,000 views, I am picking one winner from the comments. That's it. No complicated surveys, no hidden fees. Just 100k views, one comment, and one winner. So, if you want these, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly why these earbuds are a game changer and how you can help us hit that goal today. Now, let's talk about what's actually inside this box. JBL is known for their deep bass sound, and the Vibe Beam does not disappoint. They've packed 8mm drivers into these tiny buds. If you're into hip-hop, EDM, or even cinematic podcasts, that low-end punch is going to feel incredible. But it's not just about the noise. It's about the lifestyle. How many times have you been out and had to take an earbud out just to hear someone talk? These have smart ambient technology. You've got talk through, which drops the music volume so you can chat, and ambient aware, which keeps you tuned into traffic or office noises while the music stays crisp. And for the marathon listeners? You're looking at 32 total hours of battery life. You get 8 hours in the buds themselves and another 24 hours stored in the case. If you're in a rush, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 2 full hours of playback. That's a lifesaver when you're heading to the gym and realize you forgot to plug them in overnight. I know what some of you are thinking, are they going to fall out, or can I work out in them? The design is ergonomic and closed, meaning they seal off your ear canal perfectly. This helps with the bass, but it also means they stay put. Plus, they are IP54 certified. That means they're resistant to water and dust. If you get caught in a rainstorm or you're pushing through a heavy session at the gym, these aren't going to quit on you. Even the charging case is IPX2 rated, which is rare at this price point. You're getting a rugged, reliable piece of tech that looks sleek in your ear. Okay, let's go over the rules again, because I want to make sure everyone qualifies. To be the person I pick when we hit that 100,000 view milestone, you must do 3 things. Number 1, you must be subscribed. I'll be checking. This giveaway is a thank you to the people who support this channel and help us grow. Number 2, leave a comment below. Tell me why you need these, what song you're going to blast first, or even just say I'm in. I will be using a random comment picker to ensure everything is 100% fair. 1 comment per person, please, let's keep the vibes clean. Number 3, the goal. We need 100,000 views. This is where you come in. If everyone watching right now shares this video with just one friend, or posts the link on their Discord or Twitter, we could hit that goal by next week. The faster the views climb, the faster I ship these out. I love doing stuff like this because it brings us all together for a common goal. This channel has always been about moving forward, and I want to take you all with me. Imagine, you check your notifications a few weeks from now, and you've got a message from me saying these JBLs are on their way to your front door. That could be you. But it only happens if we hit that 100k. So, check that subscribe button right now. Drop your comment. And most importantly, hit that share button. Send this to your brother, your best friend, or that one person you know who is always complaining that their headphones are broken. I'll be hovering in the comments section today to talk to you guys and track the progress. Let's see how fast we can make this happen. Good luck to every single one of you, and I will see you in the next update when we get closer to the finish line. Peace.